Today we're gonna do an unboxing while I tell you a little bit about my top 5 life-changing books that I've read over my lifetime. So, number 1, we're gonna start strong. We're gonna start with Boundaries by Dr. Henry Cloud. That one was a game changer for me after reading, this is a set, I love a set. It was a game changer for me after I went to therapy and realized I needed to put in boundaries in my life. And as a Christian, it's hard to put in boundaries and think of them as biblical, because off the bat you think like, oh, is it loving? It's placed from the devil of things that you have to do as a believer that aren't based in truth. And the whole book of Boundaries is based on truth. So that really helped me. And then I also loved, it was sent to me by Automet. It's a Y2K Fade Craft green set. So maybe I'm gonna try it. Next book is, if you have trauma or know anyone that has trauma, you should definitely read the book, The Gratitude Score. So this is a classic for therapy. It's like my number 1 recommended book to read for my first therapist. Well, my second therapist. My first therapist was a little bit of a bust. I'm just a girl that needs more shorts with pockets. Okay, so cute. I really understand their brain and what makes them who they are, right? I'm just a mom. My storage was full. How fucking annoying. Anyway, that book taught me that I'm literally just a person that has trauma. Like, what am I besides my trauma? Is kind of how I felt after I read that. What would I be if I didn't have this trauma in my life? And it was kind of a shocking conversation to have with myself. So that's number 2. Number 3, I would have to say, is Switch on Your Brain. It's giving guide, but it has a good crop to it for the shorts. Let's try it on. Shut the front door. Okay, these ties are crazy long actually, but anyways, this is so cute. I die. This is without it like tucked in. It's like the perfect crop, but it's not. I took a small. I could have taken a medium if I wanted it even bigger, but I don't think I want a medium. Like, I think even if I had bought this, I would still take a small. I usually am a true to size small. These shorts are so comfortable. They're really high-waisted. Okay, anyways, I'm obsessed. So, third book is Switch on Your Brain. Switch on Your Brain teaches you how to control your thought life, and I love that. Fourth one is Midnight Library, which is actually a fiction. And I thought that was the most lesson-filled book of all time. You have to read it. It's basically about this girl who goes through all of these different things that she could have had in life if she would have made like a slightly different decision. And I just thought, as I was reading the book, I was like, oh, what if I had not gotten with this boyfriend? Or what if I had not taken this job at 16? Or what if I had not done XYZ? And it had you really mentally explore that and where that would have left off. And it's just really cool to have that acceptance, because at the end of the book is just amazing to help you finish all of those thoughts together that you start thinking as you're reading. So good. Gary something, I can't remember his last name, but he has a 2-part book that's really hard to find. It's For Better or For Best is the woman's version, and If Only He Knew is the male version. And your husband and wife, if you have a husband who's open to reading a book with you, you should read the girl side and he should read the guy side, and you guys should talk about it, because crazy eye-opening. All that to say, buy this set, super cute.